This is a video of this Sears Lasko remote ceiling fan. This came brand new in the box off eBay. I got it in 2017. The box is right there. Came with here's the remote. Not really sure what to say about it. It came with both the low ceiling kit and the hardware for that down rod. I lost the down rod mounting stuff a long time ago because I didn't keep track of my stuff. Anyways, I added the light kit myself. Here's that. It has the dimming feature. And I'll turn it on low. Does have a loud hum, which makes it easy to tell when you got the remote to respond, because sometimes the remote doesn't respond. This fan's from, I believe, 1987. I think it says it. Yeah, it says on the back of the remote, QC March focus. QC March of 87. As well with the light. Sometimes it does that when you try to turn it off. Oh yeah. Now it's buzzing. Now it's really noisy. I don't remember it being this noisy. But I have not turned this thing on in a while because I have not come down here. It does wobble. And that's the play of the mounting bracket, which isn't great. Oh well. Here's high. It does move a lot of air. It's a powerful fan. One of the blade arms is kind of bent, which is why it's wobbling. Can't really do a top shot of it from down here, because we're gonna get and I'll shut it off. Also reversed it. You have to hold down the fan button. Well, both of these, like, these two buttons do the same thing. They just cycle through the fan speeds, high, medium, and low. And if you hold one of them down for 5 seconds, it'll shut the fan off and reverse it. And it has a switch on top, so you could switch it from manual to remote. The manual setting, it's just that little pull chain that's on it, on the fan itself. It's just a light chain. It basically just shuts power off and on to the whole fan. Like with the receiver and everything, it just turns it all on and off. Does have good bearings though. Spin down, this thing's very long. I put the display back up in June. It's now October. This fan has been up ever since, because I've been meaning to make a video about it on it, but I've been just sidetracked with life. Been very busy with work and school. Can't tell if I'm got it on low. I think I did. Yeah, got it on low. Yep. Got way louder. But after this, I'm going to take this fan down. I got a fan at the restore today. Pretty similar to that Copper 4 season sitting up there, which showed up in the National Ceiling Fan Day video a couple years ago. Still haven't gotten a new Slumber Quiet for that thing, so it's just been sitting there. It's a restoration project. This fan's going to be pretty similar to that. Excited to do a video on that, or see if it works. I'm not optimistic about it, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, it wobbles. It's way worse in person. Doesn't show up over the video, but anyways. It didn't reverse. It shut off. I was supposed to reverse, but it didn't. Anyways, thank you for watching.